raffle tickets.
Excuse me.
What raffle?
What do you want me to do? Pick one.
Bob the Builder.
It's like that. It's not me.
You know what? I don't know how this goes. No.
No, it's just like that. Come on, picture. What is this for? Is it just like this?
Maya, pass my phone.
But then wouldn't the bottom be like that too? Or is that the bottom?
That's the bottom for sure.
It looks the same.
Yeah.
You found it, Maya?
That's 2 days, Maya.
Good thing we're all off tomorrow.
You off too?
Yes. Bless. Did they say euro?
Kylie, you off?
Yeah.
Only lunch then.
No.
Well, Maya, if you off, you know what you're gonna be doing.
She's gonna help me cut. Put one together. That's why it's not in good. You did the first one.
We're gonna put this in here. Look at
Nice. That's cute. She's trying to get her shot.
Her!
Dude!
Oh, look like the candle really burning, yeah? Why you laugh, Maya? It does.
Lantern Festival.
Cooper, shut your mouth. Sound like Kylie.
Ah.
Cuddy,
I'm recording.
do something.
I'm recording. I'm so excited.
Shut up. Excited for what?
Because we don't work tomorrow.
So what?
What is your
You go to
problem?
work.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Don't be happy because you're not working. It's windy. I hate wind.
Honey,
What?
put the covers on the candles. Do something.
What if you just do this side and then stack it like this?
No, I ain't doing nothing if we got that.
Well, then you gotta do it all.
Yeah.
New strategy.
Mm-hmm.
Who do you work for?
Myself.
Hurry up, do another one.
Don't start yet. I gotta figure out which way it goes from. Okay.
The flat side is always on the spiral.
Yeah, I know that, but then I forget.
Oh my god. Where'd you graduate?
Castle.
Okay.
Flat side. This way.
Run it, Sarah.
Oh my god, you gotta make all that. Holly, she told you if you're gonna make a cake for tomorrow. Oh yeah, can you make a cake? Wasn't me.
Just a box.
Just a box, one of those box ones.
Yeah, okay.
Let me check which one.
Yeah.
Funfetti. This is hard.
There's no batteries in here.
Yeah, because it's over there.
Oh, I thought you said it was in here.
I didn't. I said we need to get
have to open all of these?
Come on, just open the batteries.
Am I opening all of it?
Just open one. Can you?
Yeah, all of this.
Mimi, use this first. Just use your head.
Huh?
If it doesn't have it.
Did you put the batteries in?
No.
Give some to Maya.
Take it.
Pass me some of the batteries.
What do you want me to do? Pick one.
Why is it not working? Keep it.
Bob the Builder, can you fix it?
What are you making?
I don't know. Excuse me, sir. Sir,
Copyright.
quiet on the set.
I think she's outside.
Oh,
What, you know where I put the raffle tickets?
excuse me.
What raffle?
The green.
Yeah. Girl,
The green one. Remember you said, what is this?
are you for real? There's another way, sis.
Remember?
Oh,
The round.
I know. I never could have been.
My gosh, who does this? Who does this? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Bob the Builder, can you fix it? Bob the Builder, yes we can.
I remember I put it somewhere. Yeah, there it is. That's what's been stuck in it.
That's what's been stuck in it. That's what's been stuck in it. Oh my god, I'm so dumb.
I know.
We know.
For real.
I wasn't supposed to screw this one out yet. Stupid. Stupido.
Why is it so crooked?
That's not him.
They get straight.
It's
when you
like
put
that.
artists together.
It's like that. It's not me.
Because then we can put the other one inside.
Oh.
I said that. You said no. I don't like do nothing when I get there. It doesn't tell me the step for this. The storm is on its way. Dun dun dun. Give me a green one. He's gonna come back up. What? That looks kind of scary.
Can't really see it on camera.
Oh. There, can you see it now?
Yeah.
Ugh, freaky.